Students, now I am going to discuss the question number E of exercise 5.4. Write the decimal and fractional expansion for each of the following. See the first number. It is 4.5 and 4.5 we read as 4 and 5 tenth. Here we are asked to write down this number in the fractional and decimal expansion. Now first of all I am going to write down the fractional expansion of 4.5. Now look at the digit given in the number. The first digit is 4, which comes at the ones place. It's a 4 ones, and 4 ones we can write down 4. Plus, the digit after the decimal point is 5. It's a 5 tenth, and 5 tenth we can write down 5 upon 10 in the fraction form. Hence, 4 plus 5 upon 10 is called as fractional expansion. In the decimal expansion, we can write down 4 as it is, and only convert the fractional form into decimal form. So 5 upon 10 can be written as 0.5 in the decimal form. Hence 4 plus 0.5 is the decimal expansion. Now see the another example. The number is given 15.16 and we read this number as 15 and 1600th. Now let us write down the fractional expansion first. Look at the digit given in the number. The first digit is 1, which comes at the tens place. It's a 1 tens. And 1 tens we can write down 10. Plus, the next digit is 5, which comes at the ones place. It's a 5 ones. And 5 ones we can write down 5. Plus, the digit after the decimal point is 1, which comes at the tenth place. It's a 1 tenth. And 1 tenth we can write down 1 upon 10 in the fraction form. The last digit is 6, which comes at the 100th place. It's a 600th, and 600th we can write down 6 upon 100 in the fraction form. Hence, the fractional expansion is 10 plus 5 plus 1 upon 10 plus 6 upon 100. While writing in the decimal expansion, we can write down 10 plus 5 as it is. Only we convert this fractional form into the decimal form. 1 upon 10 we can write down 0.1 and 6 upon 100 we can write down 0.06. 0.1 is the decimal form of 1 upon 10 and 0.06 is the decimal form of 6 upon 100. Hence the decimal expansion is 10 plus 5 plus 0.1 plus 0.06. Let's see one more example. The number is 0.235. Now the first digit is here 0, which comes at the ones place. So 0 ones we can write down 0. Plus, the digit after the decimal point is 2, which comes at the tenth place. It's a 2 tenth, and 2 tenth we can write down 2 upon 10. Plus, digit 3 comes at the 100th place. 300th we can write down 3 upon 100. Plus, the last digit, which is 5, comes at the 1000th place, and 5000th we can write down 5 upon 1000. This is the fractional expansion. Now, in the decimal expansion, 2 tenth can be written as 0.2 plus 3 upon 100 can be written as 0.03 plus 5 upon 1000 can be written as 0.005. So, this is the decimal expansion of the given number. Like this, you can write down the fractional and decimal expansion of the remaining numbers given in your textbook.